Tonight, Texas in the bullseye again, with flash floods stunning drivers in Dallas and lightning potentially setting a suburban church and multiple homes on fire.
Welcome back, beautiful people. I'm excited to share the crazy story we had going to pick up our camper in Texas, and then our beautiful journey to the San Juan Mountains. But first, I want to tell you what happened when we got back from Peru. We were on the immediate hunt to try to figure out how to spend more time in nature. And as you know, we ended up choosing a truck camper. Also, let me know if you want me to do a whole tour on our camper, our truck, and all the items that we added to it, and also a little story of why we chose the truck camper instead of the many other options that we could have to overland. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll start working on that video to give you guys the tour and to let you know why we chose what we chose. We bought a new to us 2022 Ram 3500. And we started with removing this ram bar, then cleaned out the bed as it seems the old owner must have hauled rocks. Finally, we installed a new rear view camera to be able to see behind us. Then we set off to Bluffdale, where our camper was being custom built at Capri. When we arrived, we were greeted by the friendly staff at Capri, who also helped us install our new baby Coolio. And here's a quick walkthrough of the inside of the camper. We of course got the model with the shower, and also has a sink and a cooktop. We were so excited to finally have our camper after waiting 6 weeks for it to be built. So immediately we headed out to find a camp spot to test this baby out. But after only a few hours, we were harshly reminded we were in Texas. It was a blistering 90 degrees in the camper. So needless to say, reporting live from the first night of successful camping, and we ended up at a Hilton. So let me tell you, we're in Texas, and it's hot and the muff out here, and we couldn't take the heat. So yeah, we stayed at a Hilton, so I'm excited to get back to Colorado. But did Texas try to tell us we overstayed our welcome?
Heavy rain and winds flipping semis, mangling metal buildings, and at DFW, incredible video of nearly 80-mile-per-hour gusts appearing to push a plane from its gate.
Dallas had a tornado, which around 3 a.m. came ripping through our neighborhood to let me know a tornado was coming through. And at this point, my thoughts were, I didn't get insurance on the brand new camper yet. And if the tornado takes it out, we just lost all of that money and work getting a new camper built. So I did what anyone else would do in that position, went back to sleep. Because at this moment, it was a Jesus take the wheel moment.
Today, more than 1 million Texas customers without power. All of it capping a harrowing holiday weekend with more than 60 tornadoes reported across 14 states.
Luckily, the part of the storm that hit our neighborhood wasn't nearly as bad as some other neighborhoods. The storm left the neighborhood with many broken trees and some cars being damaged. And luckily, our truck camper came out unscathed. So after our breezy vacation in Dallas, we started our journey to the San Juan Mountains, which started off by driving halfway there and stopping just outside of Amarillo at the second largest canyon in North America, Palo Duro Canyon, where we were finally able to relax without worrying about unpredictable weather and got a chance to try out one of our new toys. I found this awesome portable smoker that makes smoking and grilling on the road effortless, and we enjoyed some delicious smoked chicken while watching a beautiful sunset.
We woke up early in the morning to head to our next destination, Rifle Falls.
We found a beautiful little campsite here in Rifle Falls. This was just an overnight stay for us, but before we left, we had to make sure we checked out Rifle Falls waterfalls. Fun fact, Nikola Tesla built the first AC power plant in Ames, making Ames and Telluride, Colorado, the first cities in the world to have streetlights. Here we nestled into a great camp spot where we could hear the waterfalls all night long. We cooked up a few meals here. Smallest post office up in Orford near Telluride. Then we approached the sheer drop-offs and rocky and unstable roads, which made us question our decision. And after all of that, we finally made it to the San Juan Mountains. We found a spot at 12,000 feet above sea level. This beautiful campsite. We had to climb thousands of feet to get here, but boy, was it worth the trip. And we're gonna go all the way up there to the lake tomorrow, and we'll show you guys that. Signing off. Old mining site, and the color is from the iron, copper, aluminum, all these things in the water. And here we got a chance to try out our chainsaw. Chop some wood. Found it. And of course, smoke some more chicken and enjoy the beautiful views. Today on this episode of Cooking in the Mountains, we have our smoker here with some lovely chicken, looking quite succulent. Okay, and then we back to the beautiful view. Fresh, picked vegetables right out in the field. Here we took a cute ride in the tractor to go pick our peaches. Watching, and I can't wait to see you guys next time on Rolling with the Joneses. All right, I think that's it.